AI Content Poster offers a two-tier affiliate program. A two-tiered affiliate system is a program that allows you to earn commissions not only from your sales but also from the sales made by the people you refer to the program. As a Tier 1 affiliate, you earn a 25% commission for the sales you directly generate. In contrast, as a Tier 2 affiliate, you make a 10% commission for the sales generated by the people you refer to the program. This affiliate system provides an excellent opportunity to earn passive income by referring others to the program and promoting the product or service directly. Since our software is free and offers real value to its user, this program should be a no-brainer. Utilize your affiliate link to guide individuals to our website, where they can download our complimentary software. One way to encourage people to sign up is by offering AI Content Poster as a free incentive, software, or gift. Another option is to incorporate a hyperlink to our website on your site or provide it as a bonus for affiliate promotions. Using your affiliate link, you can help others discover our website and take advantage of our free software. Consider offering AI Content Poster as a free incentive to entice individuals to sign up for our service. This software provides numerous benefits, such as enhancing content creation and streamlining the posting process. Additionally, you can add a link to our website on your webpage. By doing so, your visitors will have easy access to our software and can experience its advantages firsthand. You can also offer AI Content Poster as a bonus for affiliate promotions to encourage individuals to purchase through your affiliate link. Join at https://icontentposter.ai/.